Step into a world where fashion meets fantasy. Welcome to Orno by Faria. Our Zardosi dresses aren't just clothing, they're works of art. Each piece, meticulously handcrafted from premium fabrics, is adorned with dazzling threads, sequins, stones, beads, and pearls. Our expert artisans pour their passion and skill into every stitch, creating unique designs that reflect your style. At Orno by Faria, we believe in the power of personalization. Whether it's a wedding lehenga, a formal gown, or a casual sari, we customize each garment to your exact specifications. Your vision, our craftsmanship. The result? An exquisite piece that's unmistakably yours. So why settle for off the rack when you can have bespoke,